For all of the beauty and style that tile brings to any home or building application, finding grout that will withstand time, wear, and the elements has been a challenge confronted by builders for centuries. Staining and cracking are just some of the problems linked with cement grout. However, until now, designers, contractors, and homeowners have had little alternative. LATICRETE International has developed a new and improved version of the revolutionary LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout to solve all these age-old installation grout problems while adding even better stain protection. LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout provides all the features and benefits sought by building professionals and homeowners alike. Stain protection. The new improved formula offers even greater stain protection than before. SPECTRALOCK Grout is stain-proof in residential installations and always cleanable to the original color. Strength. SPECTRALOCK is stronger and more durable than cement-based grout, providing you with a worry-free installation. Color consistency. The color you select today will remain that color tomorrow and every day after that. Color selection. SPECTRALOCK is available in 40 lifestyle colors. Resists mold before it takes hold. SPECTRALOCK inhibits the growth of stain-causing mold and mildew in grout joints with microban antimicrobial product protection. Virtually maintenance-free. Easy to install and easy to clean. No more scrubbing grout joints with harsh cleansers. Simply clean with soap and water for a beautiful, durable finish. LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout is easy to install. Before you begin, take a minute to double-check the condition of the installed tile. Sweep or vacuum the tile surface and open grout joints to remove debris, excess thin set, or standing water. Be sure to remove any grout spacers. Clean the tile surface of dirt and residual film from adhesive setting material with a damp sponge. The surface temperature range for installation of grout should be between 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 degrees Celsius. It is important to remember that LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout, like other sanded grouts, may scratch glass tiles, soft or polished marble and stone, soft glazed, and handmade tiles. You should always test the grout on a small area to avoid damage and ensure compatibility. If you have any questions before you begin, refer to the product data sheet and how to install guide for detailed installation instructions. Mixing LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout is easy. First, make sure you have all the necessary tools for the installation. Clean pails, fresh water, white vinegar, extra sponges and white nylon scrub pads, margin trowel or low-speed mixer, and a grout float. Verify you have all the components included in the Part A-B pail kit, both A and B liquid components, gloves, sponge, installation instructions, and the Part C color powder, which is sold separately. Cut open the Part A liquid component pouch and pour into a clean pail. Next, open and add the Part B liquid component to the pail. Make sure to squeeze all the liquid out of the pouches. It helps to fold each pouch in half and roll up like a toothpaste tube. Mix the Part A and B liquids thoroughly, making sure to blend all liquid from the sides and bottom of the pail until a consistent mix is achieved. Now, add the Part C color powder to the blended Part A and B liquids. Mix thoroughly with a margin trowel or slow-speed drill mixer, less than 300 RPM. LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout is designed to use all the Part C color powder for most applications. For narrow wall joints, less than 1/8 inch, 3 mm, it is acceptable to leave out up to 10% Part C color powder to produce a more fluid mix. LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout allows for an effortless installation due to the exceptional workability, long working time, and smooth, creamy consistency of the technologically advanced formula developed by LATICRETE. When the grout is mixed to the proper consistency, it is ready to be installed. Using a hard rubber grout float, spread the grout across the tile by holding the float at a 45-degree angle to the tile. This will help you correctly fill the joints. Remove the excess grout material by diagonally pulling the grout float across the surface at a 90-degree angle. Place excess grout cut off the tile back into the mixing pail. The more excess grout you remove, the easier it will be to clean up afterwards. "20 to 30 minutes after the grout has been installed, it's time to begin the initial cleaning. Waiting time will vary depending on the surface temperature. Wait longer at colder temperatures and shorter at warmer temperatures. Prepare cleaning water by adding 1/2 cup of white vinegar into 2 gallons, 7.6 liters of clean water, and mix thoroughly. Submerge a clean sponge into the treated cleaning water and wring until damp. Wipe grout joints and tile surface in a light circular motion, loosening grout residue while making the joints smooth. Drag the clean sponge diagonally over the scrubbed surfaces to remove grout residue. Change water with cleaning additive mixture every 50 square feet, 4.7 square meters, when using multiple units. Rinse the sponge after every pass. Use each side of the sponge only once between rinsing. Discard sponges when they become gummy with residue. Always check work as you progress. Repair any low spots with additional grout at this time. Begin final cleaning approximately 1 hour after initial wash has taken place. Prepare additional cleaning water by adding 1/2 cup of white vinegar into 2 gallons, 7.6 liters, of clean water and mix thoroughly. Follow the same process as in the initial wash. Use the clean white scrub pad in place of the sponge to break apart any leftover residue. Rinse the scrub pad frequently. Finally, using a clean sponge, wipe diagonally over the scrubbed surfaces to remove froth and residue. Use each side of the sponge only once before rinsing. Change water with cleaning additive mixture at least every 50 square feet, 4.7 square meters, when using multiple units. After completing the washing and inspection process, protect the finished surface from traffic for at least 12 hours at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Unmatched performance, stain-proof, extended working time, strength, color consistency, color selection, resists mold before it takes hold. Virtually maintenance-free. LATICRETE SPECTRALOCK Grout. Is there really any other choice?